Okay, I got my leads in today, my new ones, and so I had a couple out. So I had this one out up here, and the way you can test that to see if it's working or not is take a little 3 volt battery, little round ones, and just connect it to the poles. So you got one side lighting up right there. Now when I put it to the other side, you can see it's very faint. It's lighting up but very faint. So that tells me that this legs here are no good. One half of that doesn't work. It should look like this. If I take one of these little ones, see that real bright, and do the other side real bright. So both should be equal in brightness. If one is dim, that means it's burning out or it's burnt out. If it doesn't work at all, it's completely burnt. So we know the problem is it's not any resistor, it's an actual lead pipe that's no good. So we're going to take that one out. The way you take it out is you're going to heat up these 4 legs right here with your solder iron. I use a Hakko system FX888, which is a pretty good soldering unit. So you got four poles you got to heat up, and then while you're heating each one up, you're going to get a little suction, and you're going to suck up that solder. If you don't do this, you're going to make a real big mess. It's not going to be pretty on your board. You're going to mess up your wire connectors on your board as well. So make sure you get one of these. They also sell a soldering unit, desoldering iron, like that one I have on the wall. Sometimes I use that. That works too. It has a little suction on it built in. But I'm just going to use the one by hand. So I'm going to get that done. Alright, soldered in the new lead, and now it's working. So now I'm going to fix this one right here. One on top. And I got one more red one to fix right here. And this one here. So I actually got 3 leads more to do. This is a very old set though, so due to its age, it's going to happen eventually. The little leads are going to go out. This set is actually from 1999. This is quite an old set from Jupiter, but well made, no doubt, because wow, 16 years and it's still working. Okay, it turns out this top lead right here just needed to be soldered back to the resistor. It was a little bit, I guess the soldering came off a little bit, so that one's fixed already without even changing out the lead. Now I'm going to check out, see why this one's not working, and that one right there. Alright, I replaced, I think it was 2 leads out of the 4 that was out. 2 of them were just loose connections and the soldering point on the back, probably due to heat and stuff. Yeah, so they're all working. I don't know why it's saying 3. These things are goofy. It's not even plugged up to anything, but yeah, it's all working. I think that's it. Next thing is to put it in the car and make sure all of these ones are working, the analog RPM, because sometimes those can go out as well.